Hello guys, this is Nadeem from Maths TV. Hope you will like this video. Before starting, I just wanted to invite you to be a part of our YouTube family. You can do this by just clicking the red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you get notifications for newly released videos. And do not forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. Without wasting your time, let us start. Hello guys, today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 Extended 058023 October-November 2017. Question number 1. Ahmed drives his car from London to Cambridge. He leaves London at 7:45 and arrives in Cambridge at 10:17. Work out the time in hours and minutes that he takes to drive from London to Cambridge. So we'll have to just subtract this 10 hours and 17 minutes minus 7 hours and 45 minutes, and this is 2 hours and 32 minutes will be our answer. Calculate, this one is calculator usage, under root 9 plus 25 raised to the power minus 1 over 3, so this will be equal to 3.056. so 3.0506 or 056, we can write answer like this. Write down question number 3. Write down $450 as a percentage of this one. So $450 out of 680 into 100, this will be percentage value. So 450 over 680 multiplied by 100, this will be equal to 66.17 or approximately 66.2%. we can write over here 66.2%. Question number 4. A quadrilateral has one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry. Write down the name of the quadrilateral. It will be kite, because kite is having this shape and this shape is having this is a quadrilateral which is having one line of symmetry, this one, and no rotational symmetry. Question number 5. Factorize completely. We'll have to take maximum common. So 9 we can take common. Inside will be 2x plus 3y, and this will be our answer. 9 into 2x plus 3y. This will be our final answer. Question number 6. For question number 6, we have to find 10 raised to the power p. Basically value of p is required. So what we can do, we can write this one as 10 raised to the power 1 by 3, because cube root, and whole raised to the power 2. This will be equal to 10 raised to the power p. So this one we can write 10 raised to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 10 raised to the power p. So bases are same, so we can write p is equal to 2 over 3. So this will be 2 over 3. Then question number 7. Adila invests this much amount at this rate on compound interest and for 2 years. So formula will be A. We'll have to calculate her investment of, so A value we have to calculate, P into 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power T. This will be the formula, and principal amount is 1200, and 1 plus R will be 2.6 over 100 raised to the power 2 years, so 2, and this value we can calculate 1200 and bracket 1 plus 2.1 plus 2.6 over 100 and bracket close raised to the power 2. So this will be equal to 1263.21. 1263.21. So this will be our answer, 1263.21. Question number 8. write the recurring decimal 0.87 recurring as a fraction. So x we can write is equal to 0.8777 recurring, and now we can shift this one up to here, like for example 10x will be equal to 8.77 77, one more 7 we can write in recurring, and then we can write 100x will be equal to 87.777 recurring. So 100x minus 10x, 100x will be equal to 87.777 recurring, and 10x will be equal to 8.777 recurring, and we will subtract. After subtraction, this will be 90x is equal to 87 minus 8 will be equal to 79. So this will be 79 and recurring portion will be gone. So it will be x will be equal to 79 over 90. 79 over 90 will be our answer in fraction form. Next, question number 9 is solve the inequality. So to solve this inequality, we will be shifting like for example 2x to this side, so it will be minus 8x minus 2x is greater than equal to 19 minus 7. So minus 10x is greater than equal to 12, and x we can divide everything by minus 10, so x will be less than equal to 12 over minus 10. So x will be less than equal to minus 1.2. We can write this one as final answer, minus 1.2. x is less than equal to minus 1.2. Whenever we are dividing by a negative number, inequality sign direction will change. Question number 10. A model of a house is made using a scale of 1:30. The model has a volume of this one. Calculate the volume of the actual house. Give your answer in cubic meters. So 1 over 30. So ratio is 1 and 30. Accordingly, we will use that one. So conversion ratio will be 1:30. We will use this. So it will be 30. K value is equal to 30. And for volume, we will be using K cube, which is equal to 30 cube. 30 cube we will be using, and so volume, calculate the volume of the actual house. So volume of actual house, we can write volume of actual house will be equal to 2400 multiplied by 30 raised to the power 3, and this will be 30 raised to the power 3 and multiply by 2400, and this will be equal to 6480000. So 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 and one more 0, so 5 zeros. Now the thing is that this is in centimeter cube. This will be in centimeter cube, but they are looking for answer in cubic meters. To change cubic meters, we will be dividing this one by 1 2 3 and this one. So because there are 3 centimeters, for each centimeter will be dividing by 100, so it will be 3 times 100. 3 times 100 mean 100 into 100 into 100, so this will be 6 zeros, and if we divide this one, so 4 zeros will be cancelled with 5 zeros basically will be cancelled with 5 zeros, and this will be decimal, so 64.8 meter cubes. This will be our answer, 64.8. Question number 11. Calculate the size of one interior angle of a regular 12-sided polygon. So we will apply formula, which is n minus 2 into 180, and n is 12, so this will be 180 into 12 minus 2, and this will be equal to 180 multiplied by 12 minus 2 will be 10, so it will be 1800. 1800 will be the sum of interior angles, and we will be dividing this by 12, and this will be equal to, and divided by 12 will be equal to 150, so our answer will be 150. Size of one interior angle, so this will be interior angle will be equal to this one. So this is basically sum of interior angle will be equal to this one, and one interior angle will be equal to 150. Now question number 12, the cost of 1 liter of fuel is in May 2015 was this one. This was a decrease of 20% on the cost in May 2014. So calculate the cost of 1 liter of fuel in May 2014. So let us suppose this is basically a reverse percentage question. So X was the price in 2014, and this one is 20. So after like 20% reduction mean we will calculate 80%. So 80% of X is equal to $0.88. Now we can calculate this one. X will be equal to 0.88 multiplied by 100 and divided by 80, and this will be calculated 0.88 multiplied by 100 and divided by 80. This will be giving us 1.1. So $1.1 per liter was the cost in May 2014. Question number 13. Work out 3 whole 1/7 minus this one, giving your answer as a mixed number in its lowest term. Do not use a calculator and show all steps of your working. So we will change mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 will be 22. So 22 over 7. And then minus 1 whole 1/4 will be minus 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. So 5/4. And now we can take 28 as LCM. So 7 4s are 28, and 22 multiplied by 4 will be 88. Minus 4 7s are 28, and 7 5s are 35. So 88 minus 35 will be equal to 53. So this will be 53 over 28, and 53 divided by 28 will be equal to this one, and in mixed fraction format 1 whole 25 over 26. This will be equal to 1 whole 25 over 28 basically. So what we have done, we have used this calculator, but we are showing all the working. So even you can divide this, like for example 53 divided by 28. So ones are 28, and this will be 25, and then change into mixed fraction. So if you are showing these steps, and even I have used this calculator over here and working is there, so there will be no objection for that one. 1 whole 25 over 28 will be your answer. Now question number 14, solve by factorizing. So factorization is required. So we can make pairs, like for example 3x square, and this one can be basically what we can do, we can write it as, we can by factorization basically we have to solve. So 20 into 3 will be 60. So 60, and we have to find the pair so that we can write the steps. The easier way, if I explain you the easier way, The easiest way by using calculator factorization I will explain. So this is like mode 5 3. I have taken this one, and then this a value I will take 3 is equal to this one, then b value is -7. I have taken this value also, and -20 value also, and after this one I will press equal to button. So this is giving 4, so write down this one over here, and the second value is -5/3, so write -5/3 over here, make a line and change signs, so this will be -4 and this will be 5/3, and cross this one. So we have taken help from calculator and reached to this one. After that, write this x minus this one and shift this with x, so 3x, and plus this. So these will be your factors. One factor will be this one and second factor will be this one. So these two factors you will be writing here, x minus 4 and 3x plus 5 and equal to 0, this one. And now what you will do, we'll have to gain like target 3 marks, so for that one we need working. So now you can write a step over here, x multiplied by 3x will be 3x squared, and x multiplied by 5 will be plus 5x, and -4 multiplied by 3 will be minus 12x, and -4 multiplied by 5 will be -20. So basically these will be the factors. So initially also you can write on this one, then this will be split into plus 5x and -12x -20, and this is how we can use calculator to reach this one. So next step will be finding value of x. So x is equal to 4, or 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, so x will be equal to -5/3. So this one and this one will be your answer. So we will write over here, this will be our answer. Hopefully you understood this. Next, question number 15, f of x is equal to 5x minus 3 and g of x is also given. Find g of f of x. So in g of x we will be replacing this value. So x square means 5x minus 3. I am replacing this value in this one, so I will write g of f of x is equal to this square plus 6 into this value 5x minus 3 plus 1, and now we have to open this one. So a square means 25x square, and b square will be plus 9, and minus 2ab. 2 into 5 will be 10, 10 into 3 will be 30x, and plus this will be 6 into 5 will be 30x, and minus 18, and last will be plus 1 also. Now we will be adding like terms, so 25x square as it is, because there is no x square involved, this will be cancelled, and 9 plus 1 will be 10, so minus 18 plus 10 will be minus 8. So 25x, basically this is 25, I have written x over here, so this is 25x square minus 8. This is our final answer, 25x square minus 8. Question number 16, make x a subject. So x is over here on this side as well, so we will shift x to this side, and for first of all we will cross multiply, so it will be 12m plus 4xy is equal to xp, and we can shift this to other side, so 12m is equal to xp minus 4xy. Now we can take x common, so it will be p minus 4y and is equal to 12m. So x will be equal to, we'll shift this to the side, 12m over p minus 4y. This will be our answer. Question number 17, a part, the nth term of the sequence is provided. Write down the first 3 terms of the sequence. So n is equal to 1 for first term, so 6 minus 5 into 1 will be equal to 1, this will be 1. Then n is equal to 2, 6 minus 5 into 2, so 6 minus 10 will be equal to minus 4, and then we will be writing the n is equal to 3, which is third term we will be writing. And I'll move page a little above. So here, so 6 minus 5 into 3, so 6 minus 15, this will be minus 9. So 1 and minus 4 and 9 will be the answer. The nth term of another sequence is this one. Is 848 a term in the sequence or not? So we can write this one as 5n square plus 3 now is equal to 848. So we will check, like shift n first 3 to other side. So 5n square is equal to 848 minus 3. This will be equal to 845. So n square is equal to 845 over 5, and this will be equal to 845 divided by 5 will be 169. 169 and 169, root of 169 is equal to 13. So we are getting this whole number. Basically, I'll have to rewrite this one, not directly over here. So we cannot write 13 over here because this is value of n, not n square. So we will write n is equal, this implies n is equal to 13. So this is whole number. If we are getting whole number, it means this value is there in this one. So answer to this one we can write yes, because 13 is an integer, So this will be our answer to this one. Then comes question number 18. Calculate angle ABC. Triangle is provided, angle A, B and C. So this angle is basically required. So what we can do, we have this side, we have this angle, we have this side, so we can find this angle by sine rule. After finding this angle, we can find this angle because two angles will be there. So first we will find this angle, so we can write sine rule. So 12.6 divided by sine of 79 degrees is equal to 5.9 over sine of C or ACB. We can write ACB and sine of ACB. This implies sine of ACB is equal to 5.9 over 12.6, and this will be multiplied by sine of 79 degrees, and this one we can calculate. This will be 5.9 sine of 79 degrees divided by 12.6, and this will give us 0.45. Basically this is in sine of 79 degrees. I need to check why this is. Yeah, good. So this is basically 0.4596. So this is sine ACB, sine of ACB. So angle ACB will be equal to sine inverse of 0.4596. So we can take sine inverse of this calculator value. So we'll take inverse sine of answer, and this will give us value which is 27.36. So this is 27.36, and plus 79 will be equal to 106. So we can write angle ABC will be equal to 180 minus 79 plus 27.36, and this will be equal to 180 minus 106.36, and 180 minus answer will give us 73.6, which is equal to 73.6. So 73.6 will be our answer to this question. Now question number 19, it is matrices question. M is given, N is given, work out NM. So NM will be, first will be N, and this is N, and then it will be M, which is -2, 0, 5 and -6. This will be first row, first column. So -3 into -2 will be 6, and then 1 into 5 will be 5. This one will be first value. Then first row, second column will be -3 into 0 will be 0, and 1 into -6 will be -6. So this one, and then second row, first column will be 0 into this -2 will be 0, and -1 into 5 will be -5, and next will be 0 into 0 will be 0, -1 into -6 will be +6. So this will be equal to 11 and -6 and -5 and 6. This will be our final answer over here, and we can properly write answer over here. Then find M inverse, the inverse of M. Inverse of M will be equal to inverse of M will be equal to adjoint of M over M mod. So we will calculate M mod first. M mod will be equal to we will multiply this multiply by this. So -2 multiply by -6, this one, and -5 into 0 will be 0. So this will be 12. Basically mod will be 12. So adjoint of M, we will be changing location of these two, so it will be -6 -2, and changing sign of this one will be -5 and 0. This is basically adjoint of M, so we will write adjoint of M. So this implies M inverse will be equal to M inverse. Basically we can write here M inverse. So M inverse will be equal to adjoint, which is this one, -6, 0, -5 and -2, and 1 over this 12. So this will be 1 over 12, and final answer we will provide. This is our final answer. Question number 20. Question number 20 is a diagram given. The diagram shows a shape made from a square and a semicircle, and this side is 12, this is also 12, so radius will be 5, and square, so this side is 10, this side will also be 10. So calculate the area of the shape. So area of this square, we can take 10 into 10. So area of square will be equal to 10 into 10, which is equal to 100 centimeter square, and area of semicircle will be equal to pi r square over 2, and r is 5, so pi into 5 square divided by 2, and this will be equal to, we can find this one, pi, and 5 square will be 25 over 2, and this will be equal to so multiply by this one is equal to this, and this will be 39.26. So 39.27, because 2699. So total area of the shape, we can write area, I'll move page a little above over here. So area of shape will be equal to 100 plus 39.27, and this will be equal to 139.27, or this will be unit will be centimeter square. So they are asking for give the units of your answer, so it will be centimeter square. Next part, we can round it as 139.2 also, or this answer can be provided. Question number 21. The diagram shows the numbers of hummingbirds seen by Ali and Hussein in their gardens each day for 10 days. Okay, now this is Ali's gardens and this is Hussein's garden. So number of hummingbirds, calculate the mean number of hummingbirds seen Ali's garden each day. So to calculate the mean, basically we will, this is Ali's gardens key, so we'll be checking these dots. So for this one we'll have to add, basically we'll have to check this one. So I'll move the page and I'll show you this one. So this value for first day it is 2, so we'll write 2. Then second is 5, so plus 5. Third one is 4, so plus 3, plus fourth value is 2, so we'll write 2, plus fifth value is 1. Then sixth value is 3. Then seventh value is 2. And eighth value is 1, and ninth value is 7, not 1, 7. Ninth value is 6, and 10th value is 2. Now these values we will be dividing by number of days, which is 10. So we will use calculator to solve this one. So we can take fraction 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 and plus 2 and divided by 10. This will give us 3.3. We have done some mistake. Basically I will check again these calculations. This should be, first one is 2, then the second is 5, third one is 4. For third one is 4, I have written 3. So I will change this value. Instead of 3, it should be 4. Now this will be adding up to, we can change this value over here. Instead of 3, it will be 4. So this will give us, now this will give us 3.4. This is correct value, so 3.4 will be our answer. Then work out the median number of hummingbirds seen in Hussein's garden each day. So for Hussein's, again we'll have to check for the cross. Earlier we checked for Ali. Now for Hussein, first value will be 3, so I will write here 3. I'll move page a little above, so this is 3. And second value is, now we are checking cross, so second value is 1, third value is 6, and fourth value is also 6. Then fifth value is 7, and fifth value is 7. Sixth value is 4, seventh value is 5, eighth value is 1, and ninth value is 5, and 10th value is basically 8. Now this one we have to arrange them. To check the median value, we need median mean middle value, so we'll arrange them. First of all, 1 and 1, this is gone, this is gone. There's no 2, 3 is there, so 3 is gone. Then 4 is also gone. There are 2 times 5, so 5 and 5, these two are also gone. And 6 and 6, these two are gone. then 7 and 8, so these are also 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So middle 2 we will be taking, and middle 2 are these two. So 5 plus 5 divided by 2. So 5 plus 5 divided by 2 will be equal to 5. So 5 will be our median value. On one of these days, there are 4 times as many hummingbirds seen in Hussein's garden as in Ali's. Which day was this one? So 4 times. Yeah, so if we check, this is 2 and this one is 8. So this day will be day number 10. So we can write this one as day 10. Question number 22. This is a circles question. So in the diagram, points A, B, C, D, E, and F lie on the circumference of the circle. Angle BFC is equal to BFC. BFC is 19. Okay, and angle ADC is basically ADB. ADB is 23, and angle ABE is 67. So these 3 angles are given. Work out angle BEC. BEC. So this angle is required. So if we check this, BFC is also starting from this one, BEC. So these 2 angles will be top angles, and we will write this one as 19. So this is 19 degrees. Angle B part is angle ABC. So B part is angle ABC. So A, B and C will be this angle. So this one is 19, which we have calculated. And now if we check, this angle is 23. So this angle will also be 23. This angle will be 23. Now this will be AECB will be cyclic quadrilateral. So this should add up to 180 degree, right? So this will be basically, this will be 23 plus 19 will be 42. So this complete angle is 42, and this should be 180 minus 42. So we can write 180 minus 42 is equal to what? 180 minus answer will be equal to 138. 138, then 138 degrees. I will be showing the working over here. This one, 180 minus 42 is equal to 138, and this one we have taken from here. This one, this is 42. So, and these 2 opposite angles are adding up to 180 degree. This complete angle we are finding. So this is basically 138 minus 67 degrees, and 138 minus 67 will be basically, they are asking for ABC. ABC is this one, ABC, and which is 138. So no need to find the further angle, because that angle, the required angle is ABC, which is 138, which we have found, and we will write here 138 degree as answer. Then angle BCE. BCE is which angle that we have to figure out, and B, C and E angle will be this angle. Basically is required to find this angle. Now we can find this angle, because this total angle is 138, and this angle will be 180 minus 138. 180 180, no, this is basically 42. So this is 138 minus 67. 138 minus 67 will be equal to 71. So this angle is 71 degrees, and this is 71, this is 19, so this will be 71 plus 19 will be equal to 90 degree. So this angle will also be 90 degrees. Hopefully you understand this also. So we will write here this one 90 degree, and we can write this one like 180 minus 42 is equal to 138 degrees, which we have written over here. And then we can write 138 minus 67 will be equal to 71 degrees. And then we can write 180 minus 71 plus 19, this will be equal to 90 degree. This is what our answer will be. Now question number 23 is Venn diagram question, and shade the required region on the Venn diagram, and they're saying A union B complement. B complement is which is not in this. Not in this is outside this Venn circle also, and this A part also, and not in B with A, union with A. So we'll have to include this all and A also. So we'll include this as well. So this will be the shaded part. This one will be the shaded part, and only this portion will be unshaded left. So we are shading this whole part. Again, this portion will be B complement, which is including this outer portion plus A. So this is complete A. So this portion will also be included and shaded. Then this one is A complement, mean not in A, and intersection B, not in A, and intersection B will be only this portion. Only this portion will be shaded in that case. Then B part, universal set is given x such that x is an integer. X is from 60 to 70, greater than 60 and less than 70, and E is odd number, F is a prime number, and G is a square number. So complete the Venn diagram below to show this information. So this information we have to show on this Venn diagram. So 60 to 70 will be 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, and 69. 70 and 60 will not be included. So we will have to check 61 is odd number or prime number or square number. So 61 is, if it is odd number, then it should be in E, and prime number, so it is in F also, but it is not a square number, so it will not be included in G's. That's why they have written 61 over here. Then we will check 62. 62 is not a odd number, it's not a prime number, it's not a square number. So 62 we will write outside this one, so it will not be included in any of them. Then we'll check 63. 63 is odd number, but it is not prime number because it's divisible by other numbers, 3 also, 1 also, and it's not a square number. So 63 will be in this portion. Then 64. 64 is not odd number, it's not a prime number, and it is a square number. So square number will be written in this section. Then comes 65. 65 is a odd number, and we will write here because it is not a prime number or a square number. Then 66. 66 is not an odd number, not an odd number, not prime number, not square. So 66 will be outside over here. Then comes 67. 67 it will be is odd number and prime number, so it will be in this section. So we can write 67 over here. We cannot write over here. Then 68 is basically not in odd numbers, not prime number, not square number, so we can write 68 anywhere outside. Then 69 is odd number and it is not a square number or prime number, so we will write over here in this section. So this is how we have completed. Find n of E union F union G complement. So we'll take union of everything. Union of everything will be everything included in these circles. So outside are only 3 numbers, so we'll write here 3. Use set notation to complete the statement, and statement we need to complete is this one. E intersection F intersection G. E intersection F intersection G is this portion which is empty, nothing there, so we can write phi this symbol or 2 empty brackets we can write. And this is, we are done with the paper, and hopefully you understood each and everything. And don't forget to subscribe Maths TV and press bell icon so that you will be getting a notification for incoming videos. Also introduce this channel to your class fellows and introduce this channel to your respected teachers as well. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.